This video tutorial will show you how to add CoWriter and Snap and Read to your MacBook from the Google Chrome store. So our first step is to open a new tab in Google Chrome. So you can just hit the plus sign and a new tab will pop open. We're going to go to Google, and on your main Google screen we're going to search for the Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store, that's exactly where we want to go. Your search bar will show us this. We are going to look for it under extensions. So you can click right here and it will pull us into the Chrome extensions. The first one we're going to search for is Snap and Read. Snap and Read. We'll type that in our search bar. And then it's right here. It should be Snap and Read Universal. You'll see this blue water background. There's some dolphins swimming. And on yours, it will say Add to Chrome. I already have Snap and Read in my Chrome. That's why it just says Rate It. So it will just say Add to Chrome similarly to the one down below. So you're going to click Add to Chrome. Then it will ask you if you want to link your data. We're going to say yes, we want it to link our data. This way, when we sign into Google Chrome, it will launch Snap and Read and CoWriter the same way. Okay, so once you have Snap and Read, then we're going to search for CoWriter. We would like CoWriter Universal. This is what a blue background and it has clouds. Again, you're going to add to Chrome and click Link Data if a system dialog box pops up. We always want our data to be linked. Now, once we've done those two things, added Snap and Read to Chrome and added CoWriter to Chrome, we're going to navigate up here next to our icon. This is my icon. To these three dots on the side. Go ahead and select those three dots. We're going to drop down to where it says More Tools, and then a sidebar opens. We would like to go into Extensions. You want to make sure that now you'll see CoWriter. If it was toggled off before, or it would be gray. So we're going to toggle it on so it should show blue. Down here I have Snap and Read. If it is toggled off, showing gray, we're going to click it so it's toggled to blue. And once you have both of those items toggled, you're going to see these logos, which is the speech bubble for CoWriter and the sort of crosshairs for Snap and Read. We're going to see those up top in our extensions bar. Here's Snap and Read and here's Google Chrome. If you do not see those, you will see this puzzle piece and you can go ahead and click that. That shows all of the extensions that you have. You want to pin your extension by clicking it and making it blue, and that will pop it up to your extensions bar here. So go ahead and click. So for example, this is probably what it will look like if it's unclicked, and then we click it again and then it pops up. Once you have those, you can X out of this, and now we're going to be working right with these picture icons. Go ahead and click CoWriter. If it asks you to sign in, we are going to sign in using Google. Once you sign into CoWriter, it will also sign you into Snap and Read, or vice versa. If you sign into Snap and Read first, it will also sign you into CoWriter. So I can go ahead and sign out just so that you can see what that looks like. So here's what it would get for you. We're going to click Sign In. I'm signing in with Google. I am Miss Falk. Now it's showing me orange, it's waiting, and now we're blue. So we're online and CoWriter's ready to work for us. To make sure Snap and Read is ready, we're going to take the toggle button here and toggle it to blue. Now I know that Snap and Read is ready to be used as well. When you have Snap and Read and CoWriter in blue, that means they are open and active for your use on your computer. I will post another video on how to use the extensions, so please be on the lookout for that.